并且这里面有一个非常值得说的成分。
Yes, and it's Peptan Marine Collagen Peptides. Hi guys, I'm Zhihang Chen, Marketing Manager at Rousselot, China. Last week, together with my Rousselot colleagues, we were honored to be invited to attend Inerbty's 30th and Rousselot 130-year anniversary ceremony. Inerbty, part of AiBaiyi, is a leading fashion and dietary supplement e-commerce brand specifically designed for female consumers based in China. They have been Peptan's co-branded customer for years and have been growing rapidly and have successfully launched several nutracosmetics products with Peptan inside. At the ceremony, Inerbty officially launched a new product, the 4th generation of their collagen peptides drink, limited edition. What makes this launch special? Not only that it's the first co-branded product to be launched with Peptan Marine in the world, but this launch marks the 130th anniversary of Rousselot. After the ceremony, I received this product in the office, and I'm really excited to try it out. As you can see, the packaging is very premium, covered velvety red, and with Inerbty, Rousselot, and Peptan brands highlighted. On the top right, there is a 130-year icon specifically designed with a sentence in French that says, "Celebrating 130-year anniversary." It's a sketch of our expertise center in Ghent, Belgium. It instantly brought me back to my last visit there. In the box, first thing we see is a silk paper with a greeting and signature from our Global Research and Development Director, Elke de Klerk. It says, "We sincerely present to you on the occasion of Inerbty's 30th anniversary." There are 15 sachets of ready-to-drink with the elements from the cover printed on top. Very convenient packaging for ladies, or men of course, to carry in their purse for an instant boost of collagen. Let's have a closer look at the product. It contains 8 grams of Peptan Marine in one sachet. The drink is peach-flavored, very smooth and refreshing. We can't even tell that it contains such a high level of collagen inside, thanks to Peptan Marine's neutral taste. Thank you all for watching this video. Check out Peptan Marine teaser here, and if you want to know more, subscribe to our Peptan YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button.